Hi everyone, it's Lily. Today we're going to do another pour like my one that is titled Acrylic Pour New Technique. So I'm going to do another one of those galaxy pours. So I'm going to get my cup ready first before I spread the white on the canvas. And hopefully I will be imparting more information on this pour than I did the last one. So I'm going to try to talk more through the entire painting. So here we go. I'm going to pour in the dark colors first. Again. And these colors are custom mix. So I've just mixed up some very, very dark colors so that there will be more depth to my painting. So when I use the lighter colors, they will really pop on the painting. And these are my favorite colors. I use them all the time. I even use them in my oil paintings. So I'm layering them slowly on top of each other. And then this time I'm going to pull back a little bit and see if I can get this to sink through for this color, as I do with my yellow colors, my yellows. Okay, so yellow is the thinnest of your transparent colors. All of these colors are transparent. None of them have any white in them. Okay, so if you use, this is now medium yellow, but if you use transparent, if you use lemon yellow, so I have lemon yellow mixed with medium yellow. If you use them, of course you need less water and less pouring medium, less water, less everything, because lemon yellow is super, super light. So here I'm going to go ahead and just put this on. Now this is a mystery white because I've been using it so much that I'm not sure what's in the cup. There may be some silicone in this. However, I did mix it, and I'm going to do this way because I'm not sure. So I did mix it again and again, and each time I didn't put silicone in it. So if there's silicone in it, then there's silicone in it. I'm not just quite sure. So I'm really concerned more about the middle of this. And I'm doing it with the comb because it stops, folds in your paint. What it does is, because it flows through the teeth of the comb, it should not be doing that. And so the paint, I have the white, the thinnest. So I'm going to tip it a little bit because I do see folds. And there are some bubbles. I probably shouldn't have to do this to get the bubbles out. So let's go ahead with the pour and see what we come up with this time. So this one I'm going to do a little off center. And now if you mix the purple with the yellow, you will get a brown. And I love the deep, deep dark purple. And it looks like my favorite color, this rose red. It looks like I may not have put enough in. And it is the color that I put the least in. This rose red color, I put the least amount in that color. So if I don't get what I'm looking for, I do have some left in the cups. Let's see if I can get it to come out of the side there. Okay. So I love this area more, and so I'm going to tilt this way a little bit. And let me take some of my favorite color, and I'm going to pour it right in here now. So it kind of matches. See if I can get some out of this cup. Come on. Well, I don't know if I should do this. So, oh, I put silicone in the darkest purple. Just a few drops, and then I stirred it. Okay, so the folds that were in the white paint are coming out. Okay, so now I have some alcohol, 91% alcohol, and I'm gonna break the surface tension. So there's not silicone everywhere, but if I break the surface tension, I should be able to bring up more cells just because of the viscosity of the different paints. So I'm tipping away the brown where the purple mixed too much with the yellow. And so that's how I'm going to get a dynamic color to my painting. And now I still want the, oh, it's looking good. It's looking good, you guys. It's coming. And let me sit and examine it just for a minute. Well, I don't think I have enough of that. Let's see if this purple will help me out a little bit here. So that purple doesn't have any, boy, I really, let's see, this purple here doesn't have any silicone in it. So the purple underneath does, and let's see if we can get some cells. Maybe not. I like that better. So yeah, what I'm doing is just adding contrast. Okay, I think I like what I have. Okay guys, let's see. So I hope I taught you everything. Okay, so when I mixed my colors, I mixed a lot of paint, a lot more paint than pouring medium, and then I had just a little bit of, just a tad of Floetrol in this mixture. So there we go, and I will zoom in, and thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. So here we go. Let me put this over here. That'll be nice. Thank you guys for watching, and have fun pouring. Thank you.